Okay, so hello everyone. Now we're gonna learn to divide fraction. So dividing means you have to share an equal groups of a number. Let's say, for example, I have in here 4 divided by 2. It means you have 4, you divide it into 2 groups, right? Like there is 2 groups in here, and then you divide into you divide the 4 into 2 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there will be 2. Now the same thing with fraction. When you have it like a half divided by 6, so it means in the half how many 6 there are. Now if I illustrate it for you, I have in here a half, okay, and then we need to find out how many 6 there are, right? So I'm gonna make a 6 here. Now you can see the 6, and then the half will be, this one is the half, right? And then the 6, how many 6 there are? 1, 2, 3. So there is 3 6 in there. So a half divided by a 6 is going to be 3. Now another way, besides doing illustration, we can have these 3 simple steps. The first one is by turning the second fraction, the one that you want to divide, upside down. So if I have in here, the first one is just let it be like this, a half. And then the second one, we need to turn it upside down, which is, if it's 1 out of 6, it turns into 6 out of 1. And then the second way, we need to multiply. We need to multiply this one. And then the same thing like the one that we did before. So 1 times 6 is going to be 6 out of 2 times 1 is going to be 2. So 6 divided by 2 is end up by 3. Now this is a simplification. Another example, let's say I have in here, we have 4 out of 8 divided by a half. Now, so the same thing like the one that we did before. The first number, we just let it be like that. We just rewrite it again. And then the symbol, we change it into multiplication. And then the second fraction, we turn it upside down, which is, if it's before is 1 out of 2, now it turns into 2 out of 1. Now we just need to multiply it, okay? So 4 times 2 become 8, and then 8 times 1 become 8 again. So it's 8 out of 8, or 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. So that is the 3 simple steps to divide fraction. Have a nice practice, everyone.